Hey everyone, welcome back to Lyra Tech. Today we're diving into pool maintenance with the PoolMr cordless robot pool vacuum. Check the link in the description for the best price. This device promises to make keeping your pool clean easier than ever. Let's look at how this robot vacuum actually performs in cleaning your pool. This robotic pool cleaner boasts a powerful motor and a wide suction inlet designed to capture a wide range of debris. Its powerful 40 watts motor and 1-inch inlet ensure it effectively removes debris like leaves and sand from your pool. The dual-layer filter with a fine mesh and cotton sponge captures both large debris and fine sediment, keeping water clear. It features boosted suction for edges and can climb moderate slopes, ensuring most of your pool floor gets attention. This robot delivers impressive cleaning power, tackling everything from leaves to fine sand with its advanced filtration system. Let's see how this robot vacuum stacks up for everyday use and long-term ownership. This cordless pool cleaner offers a generous runtime and smart features that aim to simplify pool maintenance considerably. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, it can clean up to 614 square feet, handling most above-ground pools on one charge. The cordless design truly liberates your pool cleaning, offering complete freedom of movement without any tangled cords. It conveniently parks itself at the edge when the battery is low, and its quick drain system makes lifting it out lightweight. While key performance metrics like motor wattage are clear, the battery capacity in mAh is not detailed enough for a full picture. Enjoy a truly hands-off experience with its long runtime, auto park function, and lightweight design for easy handling. Overall, the PoolMr cordless robot pool vacuum stands out as a capable and convenient option for anyone with an above-ground pool. Its strong cleaning performance, impressive battery life, and smart design features like auto park and easy handling make it a worthwhile investment for effortless pool maintenance.